All right, got somebody behind us. Well, I've got my green chili adventure gear on here today, and I keep waiting for you to go by me. I've got my green chili adventure gear on here today with a 3-bag system, and I've got extra clothing and some a little snack lunch for Heather and I. And we're riding up to Yano, which is, I don't know, maybe 15 miles away, up in the mountains. Somewhere up there we're going to do some filming, because I've had a lot of people ask, how is it that I strap the bags on with this 3-bag system and using dry bags or side bags? To be honest, I've been spending my time trying a lot of different ways because there's so many options with our gear, and I figure a lot of users are going to do just that. Now we're entering into this little section of single track or ATV trail that Heather's ridden a bunch of times. This one's fun. Heather's really getting into this. She loves it. These little bikes are just great, man. It's hard to pin down any one thing in particular. Little sand right there. Where the leaves actually really make the sand no big deal. They create a little layer on top. Just dropped it down to first for this. That part is fun. This ship there, I popped right back into the other one.